These are the days of Eid. Make takbir wherever you are. These are the days
Hello
of
everybody, and
Eid.
welcome back to Mocha Dishes.
Allahu Akbar.
Today I will be showing
These
you
are the
guys how
days
I
of
make my favorite
Eid.
donuts.
Sing together, everyone. La
I
ilaha
start off by
illallah.
grabbing
La
1 cup of
ilaha
milk and
illallah.
1/3 cup of yeast, adding it to a
Allahu
bowl and
Akbar.
letting it rest for around 10
Akbar.
minutes.
La ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar.
Then I add a splash of salt, an egg, and I mix.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
And then I slowly add my 2.5 cups of flour into my mixture. Then you want to add half a cup of unsalted butter. I then let it rest for around 10 minutes. And for the filling, I'm grabbing a few tablespoons of melted chocolate and some butter and mixing that up together.
Allah is great, there is no God but Allah.
I then add my filling into a bag so that I could easily use it to fill in my donuts.
Allah is great.
Once your dough is ready, you're going to section it off into about 8 pieces.
But Allah is great, Allah is great, and all praise belongs to Allah. These are the days of Eid.
I then flatten the dough.
Wherever you are, these are the days of Eid. Allahu Akbar. These are the days of Eid. Sing together, everyone. La ilaha illallah walillah.
And then I add my filling and wrap it like this.
Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Make sure to seal off the edges so that the oil doesn't go in, and then you want to hand roll them like this.
La ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar. Allahu.
I then put them in the oil at low to medium heat for around 8 minutes, and then I flip each side once I see that golden brown consistency.
Allah is great, Allah is great, and all praise to Him.
I then coat my donuts in some sugar, and then they should be ready to enjoy.
But Allah is great, Allah is great, and all praise belongs to Allah. These are the days of Eid. Make takbir wherever you are.